So now you have watched the video about what nouns are. I hope you're still singing it because I will sing it for the next 3 days. Um, they're every place that you can go, every person that you know, everything that you can show. And I know I did those out of order, but people, places, things. The one thing they don't talk about are ideas because that's a little trickier. Things like love or magic. Um, that's not a person or a place, and it's not something I can't show. Um, So we have to be smart about ideas. Um, Sometimes I lump them in with the thing category. It's just I can't show you freedom. I can show you ways that I can be free, but I can't show you the word freedom unless I write it on a piece of paper and then I'm showing you a word, which is also a noun, but I can show you that. Get what I'm saying? Let's move on. So we are going to start with nouns. You already watched the video, so we're not going to watch that again. Let me move on here. And let's just quick review. Take what you just learned about what nouns are. Any person you can know, place that you can go, anything that you can show. A noun is a word that names a person, place, or a thing. So today we're going to start looking at different kinds of nouns. First, we're going to look at common and proper nouns. Common nouns just name a general person, a general place, a general thing, or a general idea. Common nouns don't need to be capitalized. I don't like to say they're not important words, but for the sake of this lesson, they're not important words. They're just general. For example, school. I can talk about school, and I could be talking about Fairview, Smoky Mountain High School, Southwestern Community College, Western Carolina University. There are tons of schools I could be talking about. School is just school in general, but school is a place, so it's a noun. Boy, same thing. I could say boy, and I could be talking about any boy that you know or that I know or that we read about in a book. It's not a specific person, but it is a person. A boy is a person, so that's a noun. Book on my shelves in my classroom, on the shelves in our school library, hopefully on the shelves in your house somewhere. You have a ton of books. It could be any book. I don't know which one because I'm just using the thing, so it's a noun. Magic. Magic is also a thing, kind of. It's an idea, so it's a noun. Those words all name general people, general places, general things, or general ideas. So we call those common nouns. They're just common. When things are common, they're kind of everyday. And sometimes common things are a little less special. These words are necessary. I think they are special. We need them. Let's look at the other kind of nouns, and I think you'll understand better what I'm trying to say. So proper nouns name specific people in specific places with specific things, and proper nouns always need to be capitalized. Remember every time I write on your anything you fill out for me, and then the beginning I said type your name here, make sure you use appropriate capital letters. Your name is capitalized because your name is a proper noun. Your name belongs to you. It names a specific person. You are a specific person. Your name is yours. That is why we capitalize your first name and your last name. So let's look at Hogwarts. Before we had school, it could be any school. Hogwarts is a specific school. So we're going to capitalize it, and Hogwarts is a proper noun. Our common noun was boy, could have been any boy, but now we're being very specific. We're naming one person, one boy. Harry Potter, first and last name need to be capitalized because Harry Potter is a proper noun. A History of Magic is the title of a book that Harry Potter and his friends used in their classes while they were at school in Hogwarts. Did you pay attention to how many proper nouns there were in that sentence? A History of Magic is the title of a book, which makes it a proper noun. You should know that when we write titles, we always capitalize the first word, no matter what it is, and the last word, no matter what it is. The rule for the words in the middle are if they're important words. Well, no, all the words are important. But what they're trying to say by that is if it's not the little words of and the, with. Those words don't need to be capitalized. But history is an important word. So we capitalized A in history, and magic. Of is important. It holds the title together, but it's a little word, so we don't capitalize it. So those words all name specific people, specific places, and specific things, and they must be capitalized. So they are proper nouns. Let me give you a little quiz here. Tell me if these words are common or proper. I'll give you a hint. They're all nouns. Hamburger. Hamburger names a thing, so it's a noun. Does it name a general thing or a specific thing? Well, your first clue is it's not capitalized, so this can't be proper. It's a common noun. What if I go to a restaurant, a specific restaurant, and order a Whopper? That's a specific kind of hamburger. It's a brand name of a hamburger. So we had to capitalize it, you see there. So Whopper is a proper noun. How about Main Street? Main Street is the name of a specific road. You'll notice that the first and the last name of the street, Main and Street, have been capitalized. So is that a common noun or a proper noun? It's a proper noun. It names a specific place. If I tell you to meet me up the road, do you know which road I'm talking about? Could be any road around here. So road just names a common place. It's not a specific place, and you'll see it's not capitalized. So road is a common noun. Shoes. Shoes named a general article of clothing. They're not specific. It's not capitalized. So this word must be I feel like Dora the Explorer waiting for you to answer. Common noun. What about Nikes? Nikes is a brand name of shoes. You'll notice that we capitalized it here. If I'm talking about your Nikes, I'm talking about a specific pair of proper noun. All right, I think you're ready. I want to show you what you're going to do for this section of the form. In this section, you have a short reminder that a common noun names a general person, place, or thing, and a proper noun names a specific person, place, or thing, and must always be capitalized. You need to choose whether the words I've listed here are common or proper. So every single line will have an answer where you will either click on common or you will click on proper. Okay? So my computer's lagging here today. So I'm going to keep going here. It does require one question per row. Okay? So of these, I believe there are 15 of them. Of these 15 words, you need to tell me if it's a common noun or a proper noun. That's all you need to do today. All right, go do this section and I'll see you in the next video.